Nematodes. What are they, and what do they want? Well, nematodes are tiny little wormy creatures that most of the time can only be seen with a microscope. So it's a good thing that we have one, as most of them are around 0.2 to 0.4 millimeters long. The non-microscopic ones though, they can be up to 9 meters long, which was found inside a sperm whale. Ew. The oldest known nematodes are roughly around 400 million years old, but they are believed to probably date back to around 1 billion years old. That would make them one of the very oldest forms of life on Earth, coming into existence just after bacteria, protozoa, fungi, but before all the other animals. Take that to the fun fact bank. They are colourless, smooth, unsegmented worms, and to me they are just creepy. I hate seeing these guys wiggling around like they've got an itch on their bum that needs scratching, but they can't scratch it because they don't have no bum. Although they are mostly found in soil, they don't have anything at all to do with normal earthworms. These little blighters are painfully annoying to all the agricultural community as they eat the farmers' crops, gnawing at the roots and leaves and destroying 40 to 80% of their yield. However, they don't just stop there for some types of nematodes. Hookworms, roundworms and pinworms will actually attack humans and other animals as well. They normally eat plant roots, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and even other nematodes, and sometimes humans. And certain species infect people and give them all sorts of diseases. Nematodes have needle-like mouthparts called stylets for piercing and sucking on their victims. Think of the old 80s film Tremors, with Kevin Bacon in it, but more on a microscopic scale. They lack the cilia, the little hairs around their body to allow them to swim, or flagella, the little tails that flick the other creatures around in the water, so they just do that stupid wiggly dance in the hope of getting somewhere. They look ridiculous. Nematodes reproduce by laying eggs, and they can lay up to 250 eggs per day. Their lifespan is as short as 18 to 21 days if the soil is warm enough, and they can only wiggle around half a meter in the 3-week lifespan. Like the famous tardigrades, they can also enter cryptobiosis during the dry seasons and reanimate themselves later down the line to continue their tiny existence. Nematodes are as common as muck. You'll find them everywhere. 4 out of 5 of the animals on the planet are nematodes. An estimated 400 quintillion exist on Mother Earth. That's 57 billion for every human that exists. So watch where you step. These multicellular organisms practically own our planet, and they always have. That's a little bit about them. The nematode. Thanks for watching, and I hope you join me on my adventures exploring the microverse. See you in the next one. Goodbye!